Hi friends, today we're going to make a green monster. So you're going to keep your paper closed and try your best to cut this out. You're going to put your thumb in the thumb hole and your fingers down below, and you're going to keep your paper closed and cut. Cut and turn your page and cut. Do your best try. It does not have to be exactly as it is. If you chop off a little bit, that is okay. If you need help with this project, that is okay too. Just try. This is a little bit challenging, but we want to see how you're doing with this. But have fun with this. Don't get worried about it. Just have fun. And when you're done, open it up. And how would you like to decorate this monster? What kind of eyes would it have? What kind of nose would it have? What kind of ears would it have? What kind of belly would it have? What kind of things can you go on here that you have around your house? Do you have extra fabric or some yarn or some things in the recycling bin that you could use, like newspaper? Look around your house and see what you have that you can use. Have fun with this and enjoy, and hang it up when you're done. Bye, friends.